the book, I talk probably about 4 or 5 different strategies. I'll mention one here, which I think is really relevant to the question you asked about real estate investing. Often when we're making a presentation, we present an idea and we say, let me tell you how great this idea is. And we think it's great. And we provide a whole bunch of facts and figures and reasons and other things that suggest why it's great. But notice what the listener's doing while they're sitting there. They seem like they're listening, but as I mentioned, they really think about all the reasons why they don't think what we suggested will work. Well, sure, you would think this is a good investment. This is the area of the market you work in. You want me to invest with you. How do I know it's actually going to work? How do I know it's actually going to make money? Here's all the reasons why I shouldn't do it. But if you notice what great salespeople do and what great consultants do, they harness a technique called providing a menu. Very simply, rather than giving people one option, which the listener sits there and they think about all the reasons what's bad about that one option, instead they provide multiple. 2 options, 3 options, not 25, but a few. And what that does is it shifts the role of the listener. Rather than sitting there and thinking about, well, I don't like this, and this is why I don't like it, instead they're thinking, well, which one of these do I like better? And because they're sitting there thinking which one they like better, they're much more likely to choose one at the end of a meeting. And it's called a menu because it's very much like going to a restaurant, right? You go to a restaurant, they don't let you pick whatever you want. They give you a limited set of choices, in the sense, a menu of options that you can choose from within. It's choosing the choice set, but because you're giving people that choice, they have the freedom and autonomy to choose within that option set, making them much more satisfied at the end. What you're doing is you're guiding the journey. You're not forcing them to do one thing or another. You're giving an opportunity to participate, but because they're participating, the decision is not coming from you, it's coming from within them, which reduces reactance and makes them much more likely to do what you hope they would do in the first place.